In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Chrome search engine to Yandex in just a few simple steps. If you've been using a different search engine and want to make Yandex your default in Google Chrome, this quick tutorial will walk you through the entire process from start to finish. This is a very easy setting to change, and once you do it, every search you make from the address bar will use Yandex automatically. If this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get right into it. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. You can do this from your desktop, taskbar, or start menu, whichever is easiest for you. Once Chrome opens, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three vertical dots. This is the main menu for Chrome, and it gives you access to all of the browser's settings and tools. From the menu, click on Settings. This will take you to the Chrome settings page, where you can control your privacy options, appearance, search preferences, and more. On the left side of the settings page, click Search Engine. This section is where Chrome lets you choose which search engine it uses by default in the address bar. After that, look for the Change button and click it. Chrome will usually show you a list of available search engines you can choose from. From that list, select Yandex. Make sure you choose the correct option so Chrome knows you want Yandex to handle your searches. Once Yandex is selected, click Set as Default. This confirms your choice and applies Yandex as your primary search engine in Chrome. At this point, you can test it by typing a search term into the address bar and pressing Enter. If everything is set correctly, your search should open using Yandex instead of the previous search engine. And that's it. You've now successfully changed your Chrome search engine to Yandex. It only takes a minute once you know where to look, and now your browser is set up the way you want it. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another easy tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.